She's got kick like Moby. Quick love free, I'm jumping she. She know that I do the do. Quick listen and quick love say. I'm feeling like Fu Manchu. Yeah, I'm swinging big dick energy. Yeah, my shawty's got them triple. I stay crossing off my list. Got my money in my bitch. That's a check, 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 check. All my mama did at the crib. Could retire off of this wrist. That's a check, 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 check. I'm like la 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 la, la 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 la, la la. Laughing to the bank, laughing to the bank. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la. Laughing to the bank, laughing to the bank.
Let's learn Check This. It's choreographed by Dustin Valcalda and Sierra Gil. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 2. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tag and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows. So you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Check This. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do side points. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side, step your right next to your left, and point your left toe to the left side. Step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward. Step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. Then step your left next to your right. We're now going to do 3 step hitches that are going to travel forward. 1 will be slow and then the next 2 will be quicker. So we're going to step our right foot forward. You're going to bring that left foot into your right, and as you do that, you're going to hit your right knee up. We're now going to do that 2 more times faster. So we're going to step forward with our right foot, bring that left foot into your right and hit your right knee up. Step forward with your right, bring that left foot into your right and hit your right knee up. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your points. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left. Step back with your left and then step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right and step your left foot to the left side. We're going to cross our right over our left and you're going to unwind a half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. It's really important that your weight is on your right foot to end this section. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our step hitches, so you're going to cross over with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a left sailor step. So you're going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the side, step your left foot to the side. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step. So you're going to cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side, and then step your right foot slightly forward to face 9 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left foot, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and now we're going to do a hip push. So you're going to step forward with your left foot, and as you step forward, you're going to push your left hip forward and then back as you put your weight back onto your right foot. Now, when you're doing this part, you're pushing forward and back, but you want to make sure you're not really sitting far back onto this right foot, because in our next section, we're going to go forward with our left. So you want to make sure that you're doing that roll, and as you come forward is that your hips are kind of in between so that it's easier to step with the left. So let's try that with some counts. We just unwound a half turn, so weight is on your right. You're going to do your sailor step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you hit your right knee up to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. And then make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, hitching your left knee up to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a behind side cross, crossing your left behind your right, step your right foot to the side, and then cross your left over your right, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We just did our hip push, So weight is on your right, stepping with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your points. Point, step, heel, step, step, hitch, ball, hitch, cross, back, side, cross, back, side, cross, half unwind, weights right, left sailor, step, quarter sailor, step, step, half pivot, now your hip, push, step, quarter hitch, side rock, recover, behind side cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your points. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 2. So your start of wall 2 will be facing 6 o'clock or your back wall. You're going to dance the full 32 counts, bringing you to 12 o'clock or the front wall. You'll be ending that 32 counts doing your side rock, behind side cross. Now this tag happens very quickly after finishing this cross step. So you want to make sure that you're ready to go right into the tag. It is 16 counts. So section 1, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. And as we step to the right, you're going to shimmy, and then you're going to bring that left toe into your right and touch your left next to your right. We're going to do the same thing to the left. So you're going to step to the left, shimmy, and bring your right toe into your left and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Stepping to the right, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 of the tag, we're going to hop forward on both feet, and you're going to shake. You're now going to hop back with both feet, and you're going to shake. We're now going to do 2-step half pivot, stepping forward with your right foot. Do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and that is the whole tag. So let's try that with some counts. You're going to hop, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole tag. So now let's try the tag all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. So your left will be crossed over your right. You're starting with your shimmy to the side. So it's side shimmy, touch, side shimmy, touch. Now hop and shake, hop back and shake, step, half pivot, step, half pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the entire tag. So now before we go around, there is no ending listed on the step sheet. If you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock, this is what I did. It's going to end on a solid 32 count, so you'll do your side rock, recover, behind side cross, facing the 6 o'clock wall. All I did was unwind a half turn over my right shoulder to face 12 o'clock and do a little bit of a pose. But again, that choice is yours. However you turn, if you would like to end facing the front. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transitions from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your points. So it's point, step, heel, step, step, hitch, ball, hitch, cross, back, side, cross, back, side, cross, half unwind, left sailor, step, quarter sailor, step, step, half pivot, now your hip, push, step, quarter hitch, side rock, recover, behind side, cross, start over, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, do your tag it, shimmy and shimmy, now your hop forward and shake, hop back and shake, step, half pivot, start over, point, step, heel, step, step, hitch, ball, hitch, cross, back, side, cross, half unwind, left sailor, step, quarter sailor, step, half pivot, now your hip, push, step, quarter hitch, side rock, recover, behind side cross, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Check this. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.